We're at the Hotel Ambassadeur. We're going to try and cross this road. See the tide's out. Bit windy. Let's go, go, go. Yeah, we're on Jersey, the Channel Islands. This pavement is not very wide. See the people walking out onto mud flats. Let's have a look at the beach. That is Jersey Power Station. That's the big chimney. Well, we're just on the outside of St Helier, and we're going to just walk along that little pier. Let's check that out before heading back, because I think it's going to get dark soon, so I'm not going to hang around too long. Lido, people just swim down there. So they built that little wall. There's actually people swimming there. Unbelievable. Must be freezing. Check out up here. Might be a better view up here. Well, that's this little pier, I don't know what it's called. So we're going to head on back. I know we can walk back to the hotel, so let's give it a little go. It'll be a bit quicker, it's just straight across. Sound like, oh, it's quite solid. I've no idea the tide time, so we'll just keep walking on this. I think we'll avoid the wet areas, so we'll just skirt around here. You see how high that sea wall is? The water goes all the way up to there, I guess. I don't know if it'll be quicker walking back this way than coming up here through the pavements. Oh, going up to this big rock. I know we can't walk to St Helier along the beach because it goes into deep water there. Reminds me of Haley Island, where people walk along the beach. And the tide goes out like this. It looks like they built this some sort of breaker wall to stop the erosion. There's a bloke walking right in the wet stuff just ahead of me. How did he must have climbed this wall. So get up here. How did I get down? I'll go along here a bit. I wonder if we can catch up to that bloke. Where's the hotel? Oh, I can see it. That's not too bad. Just can't walk too fast and start flicking up water. I don't like the look of it actually. And there's lots of little mud holes, I think, where worms are coming out of. I don't want to walk on that. Oh, we're lucky to do this at low tide. I can't see that moving pretty fast. Ah, it's a big building. Oh, there's flats there. Right. I'll walk past that lady again coming out of here. These are beachfront properties. Not quite like sandbanks. Not as expensive anyway. Oh, it's a good exercise here. I thought the sand would be really awful to walk on, but it's not. It's coming up to 7 PM and the weather's been quite changeable today. It was like pouring rain this morning. Sun come out in the afternoon. Blisteringly hot. Now it's just like a light wind. It's like some sort of gun turret. Some sort of defence. See where the machine gun would have come out of that rock face. This gun in place because it's got the whole view of the beach. Amazing. One way to commute to work for some people, walk along the beach. I think that chap ahead must be at work today. He's just walking home from St Helier. He's got a shirt on. There's a dog coming over there. Hello. They're all saying hello to me. I'm not a big fan of dogs, so don't tell them that. Right, there's actually some steps now, so that's good news, so we can get out. So I think this bloke in the blue shirt's going the same way. Calling after their dog. Oh. Right, I can see the hotel behind that wall. With a reverse view. Oh. Well, I think we've done about 3 miles all in all round trip. Nothing majorly far. One last look before the sun sets.